Hey Wagwan foodies, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes of all time. We're going to be making a Jamaican steamed callaloo. Callaloo is one of my favorite dishes. It is easy to prepare. It's a local staple. You can have it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's loaded with nutrients. It's loaded with vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked callaloo contains about 7 grams of protein. It also contains iron, essential nutrients, essential minerals. It's easy to be prepared. It's made with onions, tomatoes, and it's steamed down. You can also use it to make your favorite fillings such as patties. You can combine it with saltfish and have it as a main dish. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make that here on the channel today. So here's the beauty about the callaloo. You want to plant it around March, and then by this time of the year you can start off callaloo, and then when you cut it, after a while it springs back, because if it stays so long it's going to become too tough. So as you can see, these were just cut, so these are ready to be harvested again. When you live in the tropics, you can get callaloo all year round, but if you're at a place where there's winter, you can always plant it in the springtime and then get your harvest by summer. A brother sell me about 1 bucket of this, like 1 gallon bucket full, for about $40. I'm gonna tell you, so you want me get a whole heap, so me just bag up some and then freeze it, and that's how you can store it as well. If you have enough, you can always bag it up, put it in the freezer and have it all year round. Or if you're not at a place where you can get the fresh ones, you can always go for the canned ones. Not my favorite thing, but it is what it is. If you want it, it's there, it's in a can, or you can also freeze it, of course. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that your callaloo is clean and washed. I won't be teaching you how to do that today, because if it is that you have callaloo, more than likely you're going to be having it clean already. You can buy it prepared already, so I won't go into that. So you want to make sure you have your callaloo nice, washed and clean. We're going to dice up some tomatoes, onion. We're going to dice up some other vegetables such as sweet pepper. We're going to cut up our carrot. We're going to cook down our carrot first. Then we're going to add our callaloo. Then we add our vegetables, and we're going to let this steam. We're going to be adding in our seasonings such as salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning. We're going to add some butter. That's optional, of course, and you can also add saltfish to that.